Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Journey. In this video we'll discuss about type of SEO. So basically the SEO can be categorized into the four types. The first one is the on-page SEO, the second one is the off-page SEO, and the third one is the technical SEO, and fourth one is the local SEO. Each type of the SEO has its own strategy and best practice to improve a website search engine ranking. Like we have to work on the separate part. If we have to in on-page optimization, we have to optimize the website content, and for in the website we have to optimize individual web page content in terms of the image optimization, URL optimization, meta title, meta description, keyword optimization. So we have to work on every part of the website content that we can say that it will be on-page optimization. And in the off-page optimization, we have to work outside the website. Like in that we have to create the backlinks. Backlinks can be like guest post submission, get submission, classified listing, business listing, PDF submission, PPT submission. This kind of the activity we have to perform into the off-page activity. And if we talk about the technical SEO, and the technical SEO, we have to look on the website overview, like how our website is looking in terms of the technical parts, like the HTTPS redirection is there, www redirection, robot.txt, sitemap creation, search console addition, analytics setup, all the activity we will say in the technical SEO part. In the local SEO will be used to improve our ranking in the local area. Suppose if you're running a shop in Delhi, if you're running some kind of a particular shop clinic, basically a dental clinic in Palam Vihar, in this way you are working somewhere. So we have to focus on the Palam Vihar location, Palam Vihar audience, and from that particular is dental clinic. So if someone search for the dental clinic in the Palam near me, on near me keyword, if our website or Google Map profile is ranking, so we can say that this is due to the local SEO. So local SEO stands for the nearby location when the people search for from nearby keywords. So in this case, our website, our maps, our something profile is coming under search result page, so that we can say that our local SEO is the good. So these are the main four type of the SEO. And on page SEO, we will work on our website content, on our website web page content. It can be all the activity we will do in the further video. And in off-page activities we will just create the backlinks. The third one is the technical SEO, that we will have the technical part of the website. It can be search console addition, it can be analytics, it can be HTTPS redirection, sitemap creation, robot.txt file creation, local SEO. And the local SEO we will have a look at how we can improve our business ranking in our local area where the people search for with near mid keyword. So how we can rank. So that is a part of type of the SEO. So have if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.